What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. We got a box. Make sure I ain't showing my address. We got a box, man. It's been a while since I dropped a video, but that's because I haven't been hitting nothing for retail, bro. And I rarely buy resale. Rarely. But I did get lucky last week. I hit on 2 pairs of shoes. So I'm gonna have a couple videos coming for you guys. A couple unboxings. But I'm really excited about this shoe because it's one of my favorite silhouettes. And I don't know. I just like I've been getting a lot of GR releases, bro. So it's just nice to hit on something that not everybody's gonna have. You know what I'm saying? I haven't done a lot of research on this shoe, so I don't know a lot about this shoe. But I know that I wanted it. So here we go. By the box, you should be able to know. We got the Concepts Air Max 1 SP. I think they call these ones the Mellow. There's the tag. Zoom in on that. Size 10, which is my size, man. This is a really dope box. Kind of gives me Air Jordan 1 vibes. Super dope box. What you guys think about that? Says Concepts, of course, on that Nike sign. These flowers kind of give you that Murakami vibe. So Nike doing a little bit of biting, but you know, I like it. All right, in the paper we got red Concepts paper with the Nike sign in flowers, floral. Pretty dope. Then you got some white paper underneath it. And then you got the shoe. Dope. Let's go ahead and get into this box. Bow. Air Max 1 Concepts Mellow. So this shoe has a lot of details to it. All right, you got the hang tag. It's like a guitar pick. Concepts on one side, Nike on the other. Super duper dope. You got like a velvet tongue. Can you see that? This looks kind of blown out. There we go. Check that out. You got jean material. And then right here on the tongue, I don't know if you can see that, but it has that moon. I know I've seen whatever it has this. So this is on the box right here. You see the moon star and then that slash. That's what's right here on the toe. You got a nice like canvas coming around like the mudguard area. Like this deep burgundy Merlot, you know, looking laces. As you come around to this side, look at that Nike sign, man. That is pretty damn cool. So got the Nike check with like the flower kind of protruding from the actual Nike check. And then kind of got that like bandana. I don't know what the right term for it is, but like this is like a bandana, you know what I mean? Somebody get in the comments, tell me what that actual print is called. Around the back on the heel, that says Concepts. Got like an upside down mini Nike check right here. Thought that was pretty dope. And come back around, you got green. For those of you guys that are colorblind, got your green, your red, and black. Those are the colors in that Nike sign. This is a crazy shoe, man. Oh, wow. Even right here, this is corduroy. So I'm going to get a little closer. I love the way this kind of tears away from the actual Nike Air in the back. Super duper dope. Super duper dope shoe. Down here on the sole, I got some nice little speckled pink splatter going along the bottom. Clean. There we go. Let's pull out the other shoe real quick. I may even do an on foot of this. I'm not going to do it in this video, but I may drop another video. Let's see what we got. See if we got some spare laces. Oh, we do got some spare laces. Nice. Nice, nice. So the shoe pretty much looks the exact same on both shoes, but this shoe did come with the extra laces. So you got this velvet lace, burgundy. Kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie. And then you got your white laces. And then you got the actual burgundy laces. So look, here's the like the little suede burgundy. Boom. See that? We didn't look at the sole. Let's take a look at the sole, see if we can see inside. Let's see if I can pull it out. So here's the insole. And then it also reads, this shoe contains real fur, fur type dyed adult bovine fur from Brazil. So the fur on this shoe, which I need to go back and look at the shoe, is real. And let's see what the other insole. It looks like the other insole looks pretty much the same. That one had a Concepts logo, and then this one, I don't know what that is. I think that might be a Concepts logo. Regardless, that's the inside of that. Now let's look. Okay, so right here, that's where they're getting the real fur from. Bro, this shoe is clean, man. This is definitely going to stay in the collection. I always keep my Air Max 1s because I intend to wear my Air Max 1s more than my other shoes. They were just more comfortable and more practical. But yeah, I will be dropping another video. I'm actually going to drop a couple videos. I'm going to drop another unboxing, and then I'm going to do an on foot for probably both of these shoes that I just picked up. So you guys, make sure you guys are hitting that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel, man. Look, I appreciate all the new subscribers. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I have a goal of hitting 1,000 subscribers. Really, my goal was to hit 400 subscribers by the end of the year. And if we do hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. So you guys hit that subscribe button. I'm going to continue bringing content to the channel. I got some other ideas for content, but I just don't know if I should keep this channel strictly sneakers. You guys get in the comment below. You guys want me to keep this channel strictly sneakers, or do you just want, because I'm doing a lot of recording of a lot of things I do throughout my life. So if that's something you guys are interested in, get down in the comments, let me know. It's your boy Bert Collins. These are the Air Max 1 Mellow, right? These are fire. Concept Mellows, man. I've already tapped in, you guys. Now I'm tapping out. Peace.